Filipinos love their shopping malls. SM Prime, Ayala Malls and Robinson are the three biggest companies, with SM currently having 79 malls, Ayala 30 malls and Robinson 58 malls across the country. Some of the best malls are in Cebu. But what's so special about them, and why do people come here? Two of the most popular malls in Cebu are SM Seaside and the Ayala Centre. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison between the two. Whilst walking around the malls, you see more people in the walkways than in the actual shops themselves. Filipinos seem to love browsing and not much buying. The cheaper stores thrive, but a lot of the designer stores don't appear to have many customers. Not here anyway. The malls are busier in the evening and weekends, with their air conditioning on full blast. They're a good place to escape the heat. Don't miss out on quality broadcasting. Please like and subscribe to Bigg World Cinema. Thank you. I can't see the appeal of malls myself. I find them pretty soulless. I see the same single expats hanging out at the Ayala Centre, sitting out at Bo's Coffee for a number of hours every day, watching the girls go round. I see foreigners at Seaside, but normally they're attached to wives and kids. Unlike BGC or Makati in Manila, there's not many places for Filipinos and foreigners to sit and chill in Cebu. So sitting on Ayala terraces or at the Sky Park in Seaside seems like one of only a few options. Hello.
Hi, vlog.
Interesting angle you've got there, lying down.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Great. What's your names?
My name is my name.
My name is my name, and your name is?
Carmel.
Carmel.
Are you a blogger?
I am trying.
You're trying to be a blogger, okay?
Yes, I'm just started.
Hi guys, this is my blog. Hi vlog, this is my guy. Okay, thank you, Philippines.
You're looking good. Good.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
If you like the video, please could you like and subscribe. Kindly tell me in the comments section down below which is your favourite mall. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on the next video.